This award means more than just the numbers written on it. It's a physical reminder that all the hard work and the passion I've put out there means something. My life has changed so much over the last few years since setting up this channel. From starting in my living room, documenting a project that ultimately led me into loving filmmaking, to every workspace I have made to purpose my dreams, including this new space. Because of all these steps, I now get to call this my job, my dream job. And I may not be posting much on the channel at the moment, but I am very active in the motorcycle industry, making content for various brands and getting to see and experience more than I could ever imagine. This award just goes to show if you really have a dream and you really want it hard enough, you will do whatever it takes to make it happen. So thank you so much for making my dreams come true. I love you all and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Peace.